Hello lovely people, welcome to Crochet. In this video, let's see how to make a crochet bird. So once you have your chosen yarn and the hook, let's make a magic ring. So you can use any method to make a magic ring. This is my preferred way of making it. So there's our magic ring. Next, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to make 15 double crochets into the magic ring. So let's make 15 double crochets. So that's one double crochet done. So let's carry on making 15. So once you're done with 15 double crochets, let's meet again here. I've finished making 15 double crochets. So let me pull this tail so that these double crochets are tightened and form a ring. So now we're going to slip stitch into this here. So slip stitch and tighten this a bit, pull the tail a bit. Now we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and now we're going to make 6 double crochets into the same stitch where we just did our slip stitch. So 6 double crochets into this space here, this space. So that's 6 double crochets. Now chain 2 and slip stitch into this space here. So if you count from top, so this is our 2 chains. So we're going to slip stitch into this one here. So we're going to insert the hook into this chain and take it to the last chain of this double crochet and slip stitch. Next we're going to chain 1 and make a single crochet into this very first stitch here. So this one here, this space. So we're going to make a single crochet. And now we're going to make 2 single crochets into the next chain. So this chain here. So insert the hook and make 2 single crochets into the same space. Next we're going to make single crochet into this next chain, just 1 single crochet. And 2 single crochets into the next chain. So we're going to carry on making single crochets. So we've made 2 single crochets into this stitch now. So the next one will be 1 single crochet, and beside that we'll be having a 2 single crochet. So we're going to carry on making this until we have 4 chains left. So carry on doing this and we'll see you when we have 4 chains left. So I have finished making single crochets. So that's alternating between 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets in alternating stitches. So now chain 2, 1 and 2. Now let's make 1 double crochet into this space. Yes, where we've just done our chain 2, so this space here. So I'm going to make 1 double crochet into this space, and 2 treble crochets into this same space again. Next, we're going to just chain 1. Now we're going to snip this off in here. And pull the yarn. And I like to put a knot in here. So it's a personal preference really. So again, I'm just gonna put a knot in here. So now I'm going to take a darning needle and weave in the ends. So next I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna take the darning needle and weave in this tail here. So that's from the magic ring. So I'm going to weave in. So that's all weaved in. So now we're going to make a little eye. So we can take a bead or stick on eyes. So I'm using stick on eyes. So I'm just going to get one stick on eyes and stick it in here. And there's our little birdie ready. You can use this to make keychains or attach it to the blankets or hats, for kids' hats or anything really. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you happen to make this birdie, please leave them in the comments. I would love to see your work. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.